Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover regular expressions. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover regular expression functions. Similar to like function, we can check pattern in string, using regex like function, with first parameter as string, second parameter as pattern and third optional parameter as options. Similar to count function, we can get count of pattern in string, using regex count function, with first parameter as string, second parameter as pattern, third optional parameter as position, and fourth optional parameter as options. Similar to instr function, we can get position of pattern in string, using regex instr function, with first parameter as string, second parameter as pattern, third optional parameter as position, fourth optional parameter as occurrence, fifth optional parameter as return, and sixth optional parameter as options. Similar to substr function, we can get substring from string based on pattern, using regex substr function, with first parameter as string, second parameter as pattern, third optional parameter as position, fourth optional parameter as occurrence, fifth optional parameter as options. Similar to replace function, we can replace pattern in string, using regex replace function, with first parameter as string, second parameter as pattern, third optional parameter as replacement string, fourth optional parameter as position, fifth optional parameter as occurrence, and sixth optional parameter as options. Options available are I for case-insensitive search, C for case-sensitive search, N for dot to match new line character, M for caret for beginning of line and $ for end of line. In the next program, I am going to cover regular expression boundary matchers and quantifiers. We can use caret symbol to match beginning of line, $ symbol to match end of line. We can match whether pattern is present 0 or more times, using asterisk symbol. Pattern is present 1 or more time, using plus symbol. Pattern is present 0 or 1 time, using question mark. Pattern is present exactly number of times specified, using number within flower brackets. Pattern is present more than particular number of times, using number followed by comma within flower brackets. Pattern is present between range of times, using range within flower brackets. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.